I'm a dancing penguin. And also, guys, I'm back. Pingu voiceovers.
It's a beautiful day. Pingu and his friend Peter were playing ball. What's the noise? Oh my god, it better not be it. Pingu. Pingu! Stop! Just stop what you're doing. Please be careful of the doorbell. You know how expensive. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't care. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. The YouTube fans want to call him Robbie. Boom, 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 boom. You're gonna be in trouble. See you later, dude. Bye. Pingu, get back in here, you idiot. We're gonna go to the picnic, Pingu. Pingu, what's hiding behind? Nothing, mother of mine. Just show me. Pingu, why did you do that? I'm sorry. Okay. Do anything we should do. Okay. Oh, my parents so selfish like that. That's it. I'm gonna get some Dr. Mechanic thing. Okay, I'm gonna take... There. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna take the thing off. I'm gonna go to the store to buy one. Oh my god, my parents are gonna kill me. Great, now I have one. And when I said to the man in the store, when I'm looking for that at the edge of the store. Hey, welcome to my shop. What can I help you? No, you can help me. Whoa. Whoa, that'll make me dizzy. Ah! Oh my god, I love this one. Can I get it, please? Please? Okay, here you go. One fish. Okay. Bye. Okay, my parents are gonna be so happy. Yay. Okay, let me hope it works. Oh, my parents are coming. Okay, come on, guys. Okay, let's test it out. What the hell was that? Boom. Wow. Whoa, what's going on? Whoa. Hello? What's that sound? I'd be sure to take. What the hell was that? Honey, what's it? Retake. What the hell was it? Honey, what's that on the door? Bingo. I don't know what the door is. Suspicious. Oh my god. I swear this kid. Pingu, shut the thing off. You okay, Dad? Me? No, I'm not okay. You're grounded. Oh, sorry. Great. The thing doesn't work. I'm looking for something like normal, like no. How about the original? Yeah, I have here. Here you go. Here's another one. Okay. That was cool. I wish I could get the horn door to make it loud. Yay. Pingu, look at that. Yay. Boom. Hi, Pingu. Oh my god, please don't do this. I'm sorry. I'll try my best to do it. Never. Yay. Nah.